Welcome, my lovelies, to Mama Beyond's site. Welcome home. And I am your host, and my name is Sandra. Welcome, welcome. Here you would find spiritual guidance, intuitive readings, along with kawi shells, and sometimes tarot card readings. Um, this channel is geared towards enlightenment, reaching our higher consciousness, and speaking with spirit, learning how to, okay, in different forms. Today, by request of one of my subscribers, how to visualize when you using it for meditation. As for our meditating journey that we did the other day, okay, some people find it hard to focus. So there are many different ways, okay, but I'm going to show you the basics and how I've learned, okay? Hopefully it works for you also. Okay, we could visualize different things by getting a object. Today we're going to use an apple, okay? And maybe I'll do a couple of series on it. We could utilize colors, uh, focusing on the earth, wind, uh, earth, water, etc. Um, let's see how it goes. If you are interested, I will put up more videos as of this one, okay? So we all know how to visualize, and sometimes we do it unconsciously, like deja vu. We might smell something or hear a certain song that'll bring us back to yesteryear or will remind us of someone, right? Some of us know how to put that blocker and visualize silence when we're hearing too much noise from our children or uh, loved ones, husband, wife, right? We tend to block the wah out, right? Um, but many times we do this unconsciously. So I'm going to show you a technique how to do it intentionally, okay? Um, Again, some people use different objects, flowers, an animal, etc. But I would like for you to use something simple as an apple, okay? So here we go. I'm going to turn you around so you can see the apple I have on the table, and we'll push on. All right. I should have put my mic on. Oh no. It gives it a better sound. All right. I'm gonna turn you around. Sorry. Thank you for bearing with me, and hopefully you can see the apple on the table. Okay. I want you to get your pen and paper or your journal book and jot down. Hopefully you can see the apple. All right. Maybe I should bring you a little bit further up. All right. So again, go into meditation form or position, sitting and relaxing, and have open mind and an open heart. Okay? So I want you to breathe in and release. Once more. Again. Relax the body. Now I want you to look at the apple. Concentrate the color, the shape. Sometimes we will taste what the apple tastes like. How does the apple feel? And when you bite into it, it makes a noise. Or cut it up, it makes a noise. Keep focus on the apple. A few more minutes. Breathe in. Relax. Now I want you to close your eyes. Breathe in. Once more. Now see the apple in your mind, in your third eye. Bring the apple to you. If you can't see it right away, it's okay. Keep concentrating. See the color red? Big, juicy red apple. Concentrate. Can you feel the apple in your hand? I could see two apples. Two big, red, delicious apples. Some of us might taste the apple. If you can't see the apple in your mind, in your third eye, open up your eyes and stare at the apple a little longer. But if you're seeing the apple, if you're visualizing this apple, make it spin. Twirl it up in the air. can stop. Breathe in. And release. One more time. And make the apple move from right. See it go back into the center. See it move to the left. Bring the apple back into the middle. You see the apple? Push it back. Push it back into a distance. Breathe in. One more time. Now bring that apple forward. Whoa. Big apple. Now allow the apple to disappear. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You can open up your eyes now. Turn you back around. If you did not see the apple, it's okay. Rewind and rewatch and practice, okay? Practice, practice, practice. The more you do that, the clearer the picture is going to be for you. And the more you're able to visualize, you'll be able to do the meditating journey um, and get more out of it. Okay. We're going to try again with another fruit, and then maybe do some colors. All right, my lovelies. You know, don't despair if you did not see the apple in your in your in your eyes mind. It's okay. You know, keep staring at it. Stare at the apple, or grab something at home. You know, my suggestion is something simple that has not too many um, descriptions, details, you know, because when you're first starting, it should be, the basics. All right. But, there are some of us that are a little bit more advanced that are able to see a flower. You could use a coin or, you know, some picture, whatnot. But my suggestion is something with less details. All right, my lovelies. And if you enjoyed or you are interested in seeing more of these videos, leave me a comment. And if not, we'll push on. If you have any topics that you would like to see more of, I am welcome to oblige. You know, I love you guys. And this channel is for you, to help you grow, to help you push on spiritually or, in the everyday living, with our spiritual messages and little fun and games, right? um, thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome home. We are at 450. I wish we at 250. So very soon we'll hit the 300 milestone. And thank you for your love and your support and helping me get these messages out that are much needed. Okay, and together we're superstars. Yeah. So my lovelies, I'll leave it at that. Be blessed and be well. And I have so many things to share with you, but I gotta give it to you in little spoons, right? Anyway, be blessed and be well. And remember, a small star in the dark sky shines brightly, and so do you, my lovelies. I love you very much. I am your host, and my name is Sandra. Come on, you know what's coming. I love you guys. Get ready for our bash, okay? We're going to do some fun games and give out some free cowrie shell readings, etc. But you gotta subscribe, you gotta like and share, and leave me a comment. All right, let's do this right. hmm Together we are family, and we stand strong. Mama Beyonce, come on, smooches. Later. Come on.